Hey, welcome to another episode of ArtCo Drone Solutions. It is a snow day. And so what do we do on a snow day here in Arvada, Colorado? Well, we are going to distill some snow. Yes, I am going to take some snow from out my back door here at my apartments and put it in this still and make some, we're going to distill some water out of it. And we'll find out what kind of neat little minerals or whatever, what have you, at the bottom of this. So stand back and stay tuned. Alrighty, I am back. I got some snow. I filled up this bad boy. It's a 1 gallon jar or cup, but it's probably going to be more, since this is wet heavy snow, it'll probably be half that. Not only did I get this, but I filled up a half gallon bucket. So I may come close to a gallon, maybe three quarters, half gallon. So we'll put it into my still here and sit back and enjoy, and it'll take a while for this to melt and it'll start distilling. So stand back and enjoy. Alrighty, hey, welcome back. I just finished distilling that snow, and it turned out great. I ended up with a little over half a gallon of water with that. Checked out the still, and no minerals in it. So great, no pollution, no nothing settled in the bottom of that still. So hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the icon in the lower right hand corner, and don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when my next video is uploaded. Until then, keep them flying, or keep them wet. I don't know. See ya.